Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun. It is a terrestrial planet, meaning that it is made up of rock and metal. Mercury has a very thin atmosphere, so it is very hot on the side facing the Sun, up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and very cold on the side facing away from the Sun, down to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Mercury has a heavily cratered surface, which is evidence that it has been bombarded by asteroids and comets for billions of years. There are also some smooth plains on Mercury, which are thought to have been formed by volcanic activity. Mercury has a magnetic field, which is thought to be generated by its iron core. The magnetic field is very weak compared to Earth's magnetic field, but it is still strong enough to deflect the solar wind. Mercury has no moons. It is the only planet in our solar system that does not have any moons. Here are some interesting facts about Mercury. 1. Mercury's day is longer than its year. This is because Mercury rotates very slowly on its axis, 59 Earth days, compared to how quickly it orbits the Sun, 88 Earth days. 2. Mercury has a very large iron core. The core makes up about 85% of Mercury's radius, which is the largest proportion of any planet in our solar system. 3. Mercury has a very thin atmosphere. The atmosphere is so thin that it is more like a vacuum than an atmosphere. 4. Mercury has no moons. It is the only planet in our solar system that does not have any moons. Mercury is one of 4 terrestrial planets in the solar system and is a rocky body like Earth. It is the smallest planet in the solar system, with an equatorial radius of 2,439.7 kilometers, 1,516.0 miles. Mercury is also smaller, albeit more massive than the largest natural satellites in the solar system, Ganymede and Titan. Mercury consists of approximately 70% metallic and 30% silicate material. Mercury appears to have a solid silicate crust and mantle overlying a solid iron sulfide outer core layer, a deeper liquid core layer, and a solid inner core. The planet's density is the second highest in the solar system at 5.427 G per cubic centimeter, only slightly less than Earth's density of 5.515 G per cubic centimeter. If the effect of gravitational compression were to be factored out from both planets, the materials of which Mercury is made would be denser than those of Earth, with an uncompressed density of 5.3 G per cubic centimeter versus Earth's 4.4 G per cubic centimeter. Mercury's density can be used to infer details of its inner structure. Although Earth's high density results appreciably from gravitational compression, particularly at the core, Mercury is much smaller and its inner regions are not as compressed. Therefore, for it to have such a high density, its core must be large and rich in iron.